If you're lazy, this is the perfect video for you. I'm going to show you the easiest, laziest ways to make money online in 2025. These are real methods with real proof and no weird guru hype. Stick around to the end because the last method is so stupidly simple you'll wish you started yesterday. So let's begin. Let's be real. 99% of videos talking about easy income are packed with fluff, fake screenshots, or business models that are outdated by the time you finish watching. That's not this video. What I'm going to show you are real working methods that people around the world are using right now to make hundreds, even thousands of dollars per month online passively. You don't need money to start. You don't need to quit your job. You don't even need to show your face. Just pick one of these methods, give it 30 days of consistent effort, and you'll be shocked by what is possible. Method 1. Selling digital products. Digital products are the ultimate lazy income stream. Create it once, sell it forever, no shipping, no inventory, no customer service headaches. You can make things like study guides, wedding planner templates, budget spreadsheets, printable journals, resumes or CV templates, Notion boards, and you can sell these things on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, and Creative Market. Now let's talk about a girl called Sophia. She's a college student in Dubai. One weekend she built a Notion template to manage her study schedule. She shared it on TikTok, linked it to Gumroad, and forgot about it. A month later, she checked her account. She made over $2,400 from a template she made in 3 hours. No ads, no followers, no paid traffic. Now this story might be fake, it might be real, but what I do know is that you can create this for yourself. If you're creative or you've solved a problem for yourself with a digital tool, turn it into a product, guys. People need solutions for problems, and that's how you make money. People are always hungry for these small tools. And use AI, use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm these product ideas. Use Canva to design it, then upload and done. Method 2, a faceless YouTube channel. Which is exactly what I'm doing right now, guys. Yes, you can earn a passive income from YouTube without ever showing your face or talking on camera. These channels are called faceless channels. Think the top 10s, mysterious facts, history explainers, product reviews, or even quote compilations. The tools you'll need are ChatGPT for scripts, Pictory or InVideo to generate the videos, and you can use 11 Labs or Play.ht for AI voiceovers. They're super useful, I've used them before, and Canva can be used for thumbnails. Now let's meet a guy called Jason. He's a guy from Canada who started a channel called Hidden Origins. He used ChatGPT for scripts, found royalty-free video clips, used an AI voice, and uploaded twice a week. Within 6 months, he crossed 1,000 subscribers. After that, the YouTube Partner Program kicked in. Today, he earns about $750 every single month from that channel alone. Of course, the videos can go up and down, some are hit, some are miss, but once you post the video, it stays up forever. YouTube becomes your sales engine. Now, the best niches for this are finance, tech, motivation, history, and true crime. Is it lazy? Yes, but it works and it scales fast. Method number 3, Kindle publishing. Amazon KDP lets you publish books, and they don't have to be novels. You can sell short guides, coloring books, journals, workbooks, or daily planners. In fact, you can even sell a book with no pages and just make it a joke that goes viral, make it into a meme, and everyone starts to buy it. And suddenly, boom, you're making a bunch of money for selling a book without any words. The tools you can use for this are ChatGPT to write the content and Canva or BookVault to design the layout and cover, and finally Amazon KDP to upload and publish. Arman, a 17-year-old from India, wrote a 30-page ebook on beginner AI tools. He used ChatGPT to help him format the content, made a basic cover in Canva, and uploaded it there for free. That one brings in around $120 a month consistently. Multiply that by 10 books and you've got a full-time income. I've even tried to do this when I was younger, but I've never got around to creating the book. Why? Because back then we didn't have AI tools, guys. Use your tools. AI is free. Canva is free. All these things are free. So make money out of all these free things. All you need to invest is maybe a few hours. So you want to go big? Publish series, like a 5-book daily journal collection. Once it's up, Amazon handles everything. Obviously, you're gonna need to work here and there, but in the end, Amazon wants to make money as well, so they'll do many things for you. This is one of the best lazy income systems because Amazon does all the selling for you. Method number 4, selling stock photos and video. You don't need a fancy camera to make money selling photos. Your phone is enough. People need content. Creators, marketers, businesses, they're all buying stock photos and videos every day. You can upload to websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, Envato, Pexels, and you can make money from there. Starting today is the best time for this because creators who, for example, want to make faceless YouTube channels require videos. And trust me, there are many of them out there these days. Now let me give you an example of a person. Lena, a stay-at-home mom in the UK, used to take aesthetic coffee photos. She uploaded them to Adobe Stock with no expectations. Months later, she gets a PayPal deposit every single month, sometimes $100+ depending on downloads. She hasn't even uploaded anything new in over a year. And guess what? You can even sell pictures for like $10. And you know what? Actually, you're in control of the price. You can even sell it for $1,555 if you wanted to. And if you want to earn more money, try stock videos. Clips of walking down the street, working on a laptop, pouring coffee, they sell for like 10 to 20 more times than photos. It's lazy and powerful and simple. Method number 5, affiliate blogging. Affiliate blogging is like planting digital seeds. You write a blog post about stuff people are already searching for, and then you insert affiliate links to products. When they click and buy, you earn a commission. You can use platforms like Medium, Substack, and the tools that you need are ChatGPT to write the articles, Ahrefs or Ubersuggest, which help you find keywords, and Canva, which makes blog headers. But keep in mind, for this one, you're gonna need a lot of monthly viewers. I mean, just like anything else actually. I've tried this myself. I wasn't successful in it, but it was a really interesting experience. I made blogs about making money online and making money in general. But during those days, there was no ChatGPT. There was no AI. So I sat down writing scripts every single day for hours. So if you're lazy and you like writing, or you like using ChatGPT to use the writing, this is pure gold for you. Now let me give you some more bonus methods. Here are 3 more quick-fire methods that you can explore. Number 1, print-on-demand stores. You can use websites like Redbubble or Teesprings. Upload designs once, earn forever. Number 2, online course marketplace. For example, like Gumroad or Skillshare. Turn what you know into income. You sell your knowledge. Trust me, every single person knows something that another doesn't, and many people want to know what you know, so they'll pay for it. Number 3, Pinterest traffic loops. Create simple pins using Canva, link them to digital products or affiliate links. All of these 3 will take some initial effort, but once they're live, they can generate consistent money every single month. Let's recap the laziest passive income methods in 2025. 1, digital products. 2, faceless YouTube channel. 3, Kindle ebooks. 4, stock photo or video licensing. 5, affiliate blogging, and 6, the bonus ones, print on demand, courses, and Pinterest loops. None of these require huge money, some of them require no money at all, and none of them need you to be a tech expert. All they need is a weekend of focused setup and a little consistency. Pick one, commit for 30 days, build it, and let it run. Then all you need to do is just manage it. And in fact, you can hire someone to manage it for you. So in the end, laziness doesn't mean you're not smart. It means you want more for less. And that's exactly what passive income is all about. If you found this valuable, give this video a like, drop a comment, tell me which method you're trying first, and tell me if you have any other better methods out there. And subscribe for more videos because I'm gonna try to post almost every single day. So see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.